The ultimate guide to the 2025 Bums Airdrop, what you need to know. In the fast-paced world of crypto gaming, few titles have made waves quite like Bums, a wildly entertaining, tap-based game hosted directly on Telegram. With its quirky humor, addictive gameplay, and real crypto rewards, Bums has quickly gained a massive following. And now, with the highly anticipated Bums Airdrop just around the corner in Q1 of 2025, the excitement is reaching fever pitch. This guide breaks down everything you need to know about Bums, including how to play, what makes it special, and how to position yourself for maximum rewards from the upcoming airdrop. What is Bums? Bums is a play-to-earn mobile minigame that blends casual tapping with a hilariously offbeat storyline. Players take on the role of a homeless character who starts off with nothing but a cardboard box, and tap their way up through society, unlocking quirky items, upgrading their lifestyle, and ultimately turning their bums into riches. Despite its ridiculous premise, Bums offers surprisingly deep engagement. It's a perfect mix of comedy, simplicity, and real-world incentives, especially appealing to crypto enthusiasts looking for fun ways to earn. What makes Bums unique? 1. Play-to-earn simplicity. At its core, Bums makes crypto earning fun and accessible. Players earn points by tapping, completing tasks, and referring friends. These points can be converted into crypto, giving users real rewards for their time and effort, no technical skills or upfront investment required. 2. Daily challenges and progression. Each day brings fresh challenges and limited-time missions that yield bonus rewards. Players unlock new items and upgrades, creating a loop of progression that keeps things interesting. It's more than just tapping, it's about timing, consistency, and strategy. 3. Social gameplay. The game thrives on community. Bums encourages you to invite friends, form alliances, and climb the leaderboards. With referral rewards and a community-driven approach, the game has built a viral ecosystem right inside Telegram. 4. A relatable, comedic theme. The satirical journey from the streets to the top resonates with players. Its humorous approach to urban survival makes Bums a standout in the crowded play-to-earn space, attracting casual gamers and crypto users alike. Everything about the Bums Airdrop. The 2025 Bums Airdrop is one of the most anticipated crypto gaming events of the year. It's a golden opportunity for early adopters and active players to claim free Bums tokens, which will fuel the game's economy and offer real-world value. Why the airdrop matters. This isn't just a giveaway, it's the launchpad for the Bums token economy. By distributing tokens to the game's most active users, the project is setting the stage for long-term community growth, trading activity, and ecosystem development. Who's eligible? To qualify for the airdrop, you'll need to play the game consistently, complete in-game tasks and challenges, accumulate points, invite friends using your referral link. The more active you are, the bigger your share of the airdrop. Bonus activities, such as community events or social sharing, may further boost your eligibility. Pro tip: stay active in the Telegram channel and website to receive alerts about snapshot dates and registration steps. Token Generation Event (TGE). The TGE, or Token Generation Event, is when Bums tokens officially go live. Tokens earned through the airdrop will become tradable on select crypto exchanges, giving players the chance to cash out, trade, or hold for future gains. This event marks a major milestone in the Bums roadmap. It's not just a launch, it's the beginning of a live, functioning crypto ecosystem within the game. Exchange listings and trading access. While the exact listing date hasn't been revealed, developers have confirmed that token listings will closely follow the TGE, all happening in Q1 2025. The Bums team is actively working on securing listings with top-tier exchanges to ensure players get instant access to liquidity and trading options once the token is live. Follow Bums on Telegram, Twitter, and the official website for the latest listing announcements. How to get ready for the airdrop. Want to make the most of the upcoming airdrop? Here's what to do now. Join the game on Telegram. Start playing Bums today. The earlier you begin, the more points you can collect before the airdrop snapshot. Log in daily and complete challenges. Daily tasks are easy ways to rack up extra points and boost your eligibility. Refer friends. Use your referral link to invite others. Not only will your network grow, you'll also earn referral bonuses that could impact your airdrop rewards. Stay informed. Join the official Bums Telegram group and follow their social media accounts to catch important announcements, including airdrop rules, wallet connection instructions, and TGE news. Final thoughts. Bums is proving that crypto gaming doesn't have to be complicated or serious to be successful. With its unique concept, play-to-earn mechanics, and strong community focus, it's set to make a big splash in 2025. The upcoming airdrop is your chance to be part of this growing movement from the ground floor. So tap in, start playing, and secure your share of the Bums token economy before everyone else jumps in. This might just be the most entertaining way to earn crypto in 2025.